Hey there, it's Denise with Luxury Travel Adventures, and I have arrived in the Masai Mara, and I've arrived at Serian Camp. It's overlooking the Mara River. They have, I think, 5 tents here, so come take a look at our tent. So very nice touch. If it's raining, they've got umbrellas and wellies. And actually, I'm going to hop out on the deck just to show you. So we're overlooking the Mara River right there. So but here's what the tent looks like. A place for your clothes, luggage rack, drinking water. There is electricity here. They run on solar. They have a charging strip to charge all of your electronics. And there is a sink and a toilet here. And then there's a little bathroom, like kind of shower bath tent. I can show you in a sec. But like your shampoo, your conditioner, your soap, everything is here. So like you don't have to bring your toiletries. So here's the deck. And now here I'm gonna show you our little shower hut. There's actually another toilet. Here you've got double sinks. Actually even robes, our towels. And again, there is soap, there is body gel, there is body lotion, hand sanitizer. That is the shower. There is bubble bath. And here is the tub. So this is Serian Camp, which is overlooking the Mara River. And it is located in the Mara Conservancy, which is private conservancy, bordering the Masai Mara. So, there you have it.